It is officially happening. A24 just announced the full cast and release date for the live-action Elden Ring movie. The production is already underway. The powerhouse ensemble cast is headlined by Kit Connor, Tom Burke and Nick Offerman. They are joined by a massive A-list lineup of acting heavyweights. Elden Ring is a dark fantasy action RPG masterpiece, created by the legendary studio From Software, with a world-building story by Game of Thrones creator George R.R. Martin. The game has sold over 30 million copies worldwide. It also received over 400 Game of the Year awards. A24 is treating this adaptation like absolute royalty, making it their most ambitious project ever. The budget is well over $100 million. Written and directed by Alex Garland, who personally pitched a 160-page script. The entire film is being shot specifically for IMAX. The movie officially hits theaters on March 3, 2028, with George R.R. Martin producing and the director who is on his 7th playthrough of the game. Will this be the greatest video game movie ever made?